In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Cloudflare DNS in Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we're going to do is head on over to Google Chrome. Once we're here, on the top right, go ahead and press these three little dots, and you're going to see settings towards the bottom. So just go ahead and press that. I accidentally pressed exit. But what I want to go ahead and do, press these three little dots and then go over to settings like so. And I'm going to see a lot of different things. So from here, all I want to go ahead and do is go over to the privacy and security tab. Now, once I'm in privacy and security, I see a few different things. As you can see, there's a few different options, but what I want to go ahead and do, the one that I want to go ahead and click on is security, which is going to be the second last option. And I'm going to see a few different things, and you're going to see use secure DNS as one of the options. So go ahead and make sure that's enabled, and it's going to say select DNS provider. So you're going to have a few of them, but Cloudflare is going to be one of them. So all you got to do is select it, and then you can see the privacy policy, and then that's literally it. It'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.